This fascinating fact will blow your mind. There's an entire country where erasers are made from a secret recipe passed down for generations. In a small village in Japan, the art of eraser making has been perfected over the years. For centuries, the villagers have been creating some of the world's finest erasers using a unique blend of natural ingredients. The secret recipe involves combining a special type of cedar wood with other rare earth minerals to create a unique texture and durability. But that's not the strangest part. The erasers are also infused with a hint of lavender oil to give them a soothing scent. Imagine being able to erase mistakes with a soft, gentle touch, leaving no marks or residue behind. And then something unexpected happened. The villagers discovered that their erasers could even absorb carbon dioxide from the air, making them eco-friendly. It's like they say, a small change can make a big difference, and for these villagers, that change was the eraser. But wait, until you hear what comes next, their erasers have also been found to have antibacterial properties, making them perfect for hospitals and clinics. Scientists have been studying the erasers for years, trying to unlock the secrets behind their unique properties. In 1969, when humans first landed on the moon, the astronauts used erasers made from this very same recipe to erase marks on their spacecraft. The erasers were so effective that they were even used by the Apollo 11 astronauts to erase mistakes on their navigation charts. And then, in 1999, the villagers received a surprise visit from a group of NASA scientists who were amazed by the eraser's durability and eco-friendliness. The scientists took samples of the erasers back to their lab for further study, and what they discovered was nothing short of astonishing. It turned out that the erasers were not only eco-friendly, but also had the ability to absorb and neutralize pollutants in the air. The villagers were thrilled by the discovery, and soon their erasers were in high demand all over the world. But the villagers didn't stop there. They continued to innovate and improve their erasers, adding new features and materials to make them even more effective. Today, their erasers are used by artists, writers, and designers all over the world, who appreciate their unique texture and durability. And as for the villagers, they continue to pass down their secret recipe from generation to generation, ensuring that the art of eraser making lives on. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Mind-blowing. Subscribe and join the facts. Hit E and join our subscribe and join our journey of discovery making. Mind-blowing. Subscribe and join the facts conversation in the comments below. Hit E and join our subscribe and join our journey of discovery.